The script follows the unboxing of a cutting-edge wearable smart headset, showcasing its innovative AR integration and biometric sensors. Upon its reveal, the headset impresses with features like real-time data feedback and immersive auditory experiences. Viewers see how effortlessly it syncs with smart devices, promising revolution in personal technology use. But then, the narrative shifts gears. As if testing its limits, the headset undergoes a shocking durability test. In a dramatic twist, the once immaculate device meets its orchestrated demise, emphasizing the temporary nature of tech marvels. The spectacle concludes, leaving viewers spellbound by the fusion of innovation and intentional destruction.